YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I wanted to come and show you this revamp of this home decor that I did for my room. This is just a few revamps I'm going to be doing, posting today in a couple of days, but I just wanted to give you an info. So what I end up doing is the piece that it's hanging on, I actually blinged it out. And I painted, went from gold to silver. And I did little details on each plate. And I put, as you see, bling, AB crystal strips on there. And then I actually went in on the animals. And as you see, I blinged out the eyes a little bit. And I did a little bit more on the our little leopard cat right there. So, yeah, I hope everybody likes the revamp. Because get ready, because we're going to be having several revamps. But let me step back so you can get a good... So if anybody have something like this is what you can do for a revamp. Hope you like it. Please thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.